welcome back to my channel. So y'all, today is January 15th and it is 3:20 in the afternoon, and I'm going to be getting ready because my birthday party and my birthday is Saturday. So we need to get all this maintenance done. Like, we need to get it done, because if I don't do it now, I'm not gonna do it. And me personally, I can't look sharp for my birthday party. I don't care what nobody says. So right now we're about to do my hair. After that, we're gonna do my lashes, and tomorrow I have my nail appointment. Dang, yeah. She's gonna ice my nails. I'm gonna see if she'll let me record. If she don't let me record, y'all just got to see the nails after. But I just know, like, she's just gonna ice my nails so good. Like, I'm so excited. So y'all, right now I'm about to go wash my hair, and then I'm gonna let y'all kind of watch me do what it do with the hair. Because, you know, I'm not no professional. I just save a little bit of coin. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna hit y'all back whenever I finish getting all my hair and everything done. Wait, I meant to say when I finish washing my hair. It's gonna be a long 2 days. Okay, I'll be back, y'all. Okay, y'all, so we're back. I washed my hair and I blow dried it and I sectioned it. So, like, basically I'm just gonna let you see the final results. I'm not telling you what I'm doing to my hair. But basically I'm just gonna do a cute little time lapse, because y'all are not gonna watch me struggle, for one. And for two, my friend has to walk me through all the steps. So I'm not gonna, yeah, because it's just gonna be me struggling, and I don't feel like y'all seeing that. So yeah, get into it. Yeah, thank you. Hair by Deja. Come get at me. But yeah, y'all, so basically, oh, please don't mind my wall. I don't know how to get that blue sticky tack off. If y'all know how to get it off, let me know. Otherwise, I'm gonna rip up the whole entire wall and then I'm just gonna paint over it. That's where we're at right now. But yeah, y'all, hold on. I'm gonna give y'all a little time lapse and we're gonna get this hair did. Okay, y'all, so this is actually the final look, and I'm gonna post this after my birthday, so low-key nobody's gonna know. But here's the final look with the hair. And I tried on my dress because I had to show my grandmother to make sure, like, she approves, because if she don't approve, baby, I'm taking it off. So yeah, it's just like a bun in the back. This is like my hair thing, yeah. And yeah, so now I'm about to do my lashes, and y'all are gonna watch me do that too. But y'all just really saw me struggle. Like, the clip that y'all saw of me doing my hair was me struggling. But it's okay, because, like, low-key, we got it together and she's cute. So yeah, y'all, hold on. I'm gonna take all this off and I'm gonna do my lashes, and y'all are gonna watch. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look with the lashes. Honey, I kind of like them, but, like, I don't know. I feel like they have to grow on me. Like, every single time I do my lashes, they have to grow on me. So we're just gonna wait and see. And baby, if I don't like them, oh well, because it's too late. They on my eyes now. But y'all, so next, I don't know what we're gonna do next, to be honest. I have to film some TikToks, and I might put them at the end, low-key, but I'm getting my nails done tomorrow. I'm so excited because low-key, like, I really do need to get my nails done. Like, I have not gotten my nails done in forever. So we're gonna be getting our nails done. I'm so excited. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when I see y'all, because I don't know when I'm gonna see you. Hey y'all. Okay, so right now we are, I'm sorry for, you know, my appearance, but right now we're about to go to my nail appointment, and I'm gonna try to vlog a little bit. She said it was okay for me to vlog, so I'm gonna vlog a little bit, and then hopefully I get some good clips. If not, it don't matter. But okay, y'all, I'm about to go outside.
Bon voyage, little nigga. What goes up must come down.
Okay, yo, so y'all missed a lot, but basically we're at the party now. I hope I don't get copyrighted because we're playing music, but that's this year. Yeah, yo, so basically we're about to start the party. I would give y'all a little overview, but there's people sitting down already. But yes, y'all, yeah, y'all, it's my birthday, so drop happy birthdays in the comments. If y'all don't drop happy birthdays, promise you. Oh, true. Promise you, if y'all don't drop no happy birthdays in the comments, I'ma stop doing YouTube permanently. But yeah, guys, that is probably all for today's video. I'm probably not even gonna finish it. So if y'all like today's video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you never miss a video from me. Coach, who wants to miss the Itssbradazia's video? Not me. Nobody. And I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.
Taking trips, come back at 6, wake me and your child, and it won't lay today.